Alright guys, today we are exploring the back rooms. If you've been on YouTube at all in the past month, you've probably seen videos of the back rooms. So this is another one of the Backrooms games. There are a couple different versions, but this one is on Steam. I'll link it down below. So we are going to see what it has to offer. Alright, let's dive right in. Okay. Now there was a little bit of text right at the beginning that said, first day of a new job, don't know what to expect, basically. So this is us at our new job, I guess. Looks organized. Put these docs in cabinet. Okay. Liminal spaces, disappears, abductions, glitches. Okay. So, oh, there are the letters. L is down here. Damn, first day is not going well. And that's the thing about the backrooms is you kind of clip is the best way to describe it. You clip into this other kind of world. Oh, I can pick all these up. Looks like the folder clipped with me. Do I even need this? I have no idea, but here we are. It just goes on for miles. If you ever worked at a call center or something, you understand this type of the buzzing lights and follow voices. There was something down here. I'm not sure. There's so much to look at. Okay, we'll go back over where that door was. Honestly though, what would you do in this south of door but lost? What would you do if you you just landed here? Can you even do anything besides walk around and I mean eventually you'd starve to death, I guess. Oh, geez, that scared me. 7. Is that a door? That's not a door. Okay. That is not a door. Oh my gosh, just miles and miles. This is... What is that? Oh! What the hell is that? Oh my gosh. A random just ghost man. Ah! He's gone. You would get so lost in here too. Help, I'm lost. Yeah, same. Follow voices. Well, the numbers on things seem significant. At what point do you just stop looking and just give up? Is the question. Like, this would be pretty discouraging. Oh! Do I go in? Oh my gosh. Okay. So, don't jump down the the endless hole, the never-ending hole. Duly noted. Oh no. I hear his footsteps. Shit. Oh, he's right there. I gotta lose him. He's gone. Word. I'm not sure what the numbers mean. Watch out for it. There he is. What even is he? You know? Oh, shit. Like, what even are you? Just a phantom of someone who lived here? Okay. I don't run out of stamina, apparently. That's great. Okay, he's gone. It almost feels like just like a simulation. Like it's not real. Or it's very real and you're stuck between timelines or something. Kind of reminds me of Interstellar. When he's trying to, you know, talk to his daughter and he's like, I don't even know how to describe it. I can't sound very smart saying this, but he's like stuck in another like timeline kind of thing. So he can watch her play in her room, but he can't talk to her. It's like the weirdest thing. But I've heard that that's actually like there's some truth to that. I don't know how much truth or anything, but and then he ages. She's like an old lady and he's like still young. freaky. It's freaky to think about, like, going to another planet where time is different and aging in a different way than we do here, and coming back. And if that was possible, if you could go to another planet and not age, I'm pretty sure all the celebrities and rich people would all be there. So, because they could probably afford to fly themselves there. Which, I'm pretty sure our world would get a lot better if they were not here. To shop small business all the time, that would be great. Be expensive, but it would be probably better. There's so much here. I don't even know where I am. See, there's 5. What do the numbers mean? Follow voices. Oh, follow voices. Okay, so go to the sound of the voices, I'm guessing. I heard them for a second, but the footsteps. Damn, I thought he wasn't there. I'm just confused. I'm just confused at... Like, I see that exit sign on the floor, but I'm confused on what I do from there. Like, here are the voices. They're loudest right over here. Yeah. It's like the exit door was like ripped away from here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have no idea how I thought maybe you just walk into it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so the desk was six or 9. I think 6. And the filing cabinet was 5. The chair was 7. 4. So we'll try 6, 5, 7, 4. Okay. 6, 5, 7, 4. What about 9, 5, 7, 4? Your time 3:39. Wow. Guys, that was the Backrooms. What did you guys think of that? I know this is only one of the versions. There's like 3 more different kinds of Backrooms games. There's something so unsettling about this whole premise of the Backrooms. I don't know what it is, but luckily we survived for now until we clip again into another dimension. Who knows? Thanks for sticking it out with me, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.